How to create a Google AdSense account for YouTube. Hey guys, if you're a YouTuber or someone planning to start a YouTube channel and actually want to get paid for your videos, then you need a Google AdSense account. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create one and connect it to your YouTube channel, step by step with my screen so you can follow along easily. Whether you're just getting started or you finally hit the monetization eligibility, this guide is going to make everything super simple for you. All right, let's begin. So before we begin, open up your browser and go to adsense.google.com/start. This is the official Google AdSense website, the platform that manages all the payments for YouTube creators. Think of it as the bridge between your YouTube channel and your bank account. Without a properly set up AdSense account, it doesn't matter how many views your videos get. Even if you're pulling in millions, you won't receive a single cent. AdSense is what allows YouTube to track your video ad revenue and actually send that money to you. It's how creators get paid every month. That's why setting it up the right way from the start is super important. Small mistakes, like using the wrong Google account or entering incorrect payment details, can lead to frustrating delays in your payments, or worse, prevent you from getting paid at all. Now, when you land on the homepage, you'll notice that Google outlines the process in 3 simple steps. Sign up, take control, and start earning. Sign up is where you create your AdSense account using your Google login. Take control means you can customize things, like where your ads show up, block unwanted ad types, and fine-tune your preferences. And start earning is the exciting part. Once you meet YouTube's monetization criteria, AdSense takes care of the payouts directly to your account. One of the best things about AdSense is that it connects you to the largest network of online advertisers in the world. That means advertisers are bidding to show ads on your videos, and you earn a share of that revenue. You get to focus on doing what you love, creating great content, while AdSense handles the money side of things in the background. One of the great things about Google AdSense is how customizable it is. You're not just stuck with default settings. You actually have control over how ads appear on your content. You can decide where ads are placed, tweak the layout, and even block specific ad categories or individual ads you don't want your audience to see. That means you're not just earning money. You're keeping the ad experience clean, relevant, and on brand for your viewers. AdSense also allows you to tailor the ads based on your audience. For example, you can pre-screen certain types of ads, filter them by content category, and ensure that only ads related to your niche. This not only improves viewer experience, but also increases the chances of ad clicks, which leads to higher earnings. Now, you might be wondering, how much can I actually earn with AdSense? Well, it depends on your niche, where your audience is located, and how much engagement your videos are getting. To give you a rough idea, AdSense even has an earnings estimator. For example, if your channel is focused on science content and your audience is mostly from the Middle East, you could potentially earn around $1,000 per year. If your content is in a high-value niche like law or government, that number can jump significantly, sometimes up to $5 or more per 1,000 views. Of course, these are just ballpark figures and actual earnings vary, but it gives you an idea of what's possible with the right content and setup. All right. Let's not waste any time and dive into the actual steps. Click on the Sign Up button to begin process. If you already have a Google account, go ahead and log in. But make sure it's the same account connected to your YouTube channel. Otherwise, your monetization won't link properly. At this point, we've started creating our Google AdSense account. You'll be asked to enter a few key details, including your website URL, your country or region, and then agree to the AdSense terms and conditions. Now, here's a very important tip. If you're setting this up specifically for YouTube, do not manually type in a website URL. YouTube handles this part automatically when you connect your channel. So instead, just scroll down, select your country or territory from the drop-down menu, carefully read the terms and conditions, and accept them. Once you've submitted that, AdSense will use your YouTube channel as the host site, so there's no need to add a separate website manually. If you already have an AdSense account, you'll simply be able to add YouTube as another platform under your approved sites list. Now that the initial AdSense setup is complete, it's time to move over to your YouTube channel dashboard. So go to studio.youtube.com. This is where all your creator tools live. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Monetization, or sometimes it may appear as Earn, depending on your layout. This is where you'll manage everything related to making money from your channel. In my case, I already have monetization turned on because my channel has met the eligibility requirements, and I've previously connected my AdSense account. If you're just getting started, you'll see a section here that outlines the requirements you'll need to meet before monetization is enabled. Those requirements include at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of public watch time in the past 12 months, or alternatively, 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you meet those milestones, you'll be able to fully activate monetization and start earning from your content. But even if you're not eligible yet, it's still a great idea to set up your AdSense account now so everything is ready to go when the time comes. But let's go over how you can fill out your AdSense payment information once your account is linked to your YouTube channel. After linking your YouTube to AdSense, you'll be redirected back to your AdSense dashboard. If it's already connected correctly, you won't need to manually re-enter anything. Your account will show your selected currency, in my case US dollars, your name as the account owner, and all the default settings. Now, heading back over to AdSense, you'll also see the option to add websites. But since you're monetizing via YouTube, this will be listed as a host site. YouTube is already added there by default once you link the two platforms, so you don't need to manually enter your YouTube URL. But if you ever need to double-check, you can copy your channel's link and verify that it appears under the Sites section in AdSense. Next, one important part that you'll definitely need to take care of: verification. Google AdSense requires two major verifications before you can actually get paid. Identity verification. You'll be asked to submit a valid government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. Then the address verification PIN. Google will send a PIN to your physical address by mail, and you'll need to enter that PIN in your AdSense account to confirm your location. Both of these steps are crucial, so make sure your personal details, like your name, address, and banking information, are accurate and match your official documents. All right, let's head over to the Payments section inside your AdSense dashboard. This is where you'll eventually set up your bank payment details. Now, keep in mind, you won't be able to access or complete this part until your AdSense earnings reach at least $10. That's when Google will prompt you to add a payment method so they can verify everything in advance before sending your first payout. Once you're eligible, you'll go to Payments, click on Add a Payment Method, and here's what you'll need to provide: your bank account number, your SWIFT/BIC code, your bank name. Double-check everything. If there's even a small error in your bank info, your payment could get delayed or worse, sent to someone else entirely. Now, let's say you've started uploading content. Maybe it's cooking videos, gaming content, or travel vlogs, and your channel is finally gaining traction. Even if you're getting views, YouTube can't pay you unless your AdSense account is ready. If it's not fully set up, you risk missing a payment cycle, which delays your earnings even further. When everything is correctly linked, your content, video analytics, earnings, subtitles, copyright, and more, they'll all sync right into your YouTube Studio dashboard under the Earnings tab. Now, before we wrap up, here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons of using Google AdSense for YouTube. It's completely free to set up and managed directly by Google, so it's secure and reliable. Supports payouts in nearly every country. Seamlessly integrates with your YouTube channel. Somehow you must go through a strict verification process. You need to meet certain requirements: 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months, or 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like. It helps more creators find this info and get paid for their hard work. We've got more tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. Stay curious, and as always, keep building, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next one.